Oh shit! Oh!
It didn't fall out the right way. Ah, messed up. That was fight. What the shit? How'd you do that to me again? Oh, you just drop it in the
What a fail. Okay, right here. Right here.
Drop it on the middle. That again?
No!
Go under and back.
I thought I was gonna keep